Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Pridgeon. I teach Cinematic Arts 1 and 2 at Damien High School. This video is going to be designed around giving you an idea of what both courses cover. First things first, you guessed it, Cinematic Arts is in fact the study of film. So here's a few stills from some of my favorite movies that I've ever seen. We'll touch base on all three of those films. But let's start off with Cinematic Arts 1. So this is an introduction to the art of film study and production, okay? We're going to be learning about some of the greatest films ever made, starting at the late 1900s to early 20th century, all the way to the current Hollywood blockbusters that we have today. You're going to be watching an array of classics and current blockbuster movies and scenes. We're going to learn how to deeply analyze and break down films, see some of the hidden meanings, and just truly experience some of the greatest films that have ever been made. You and your classmates are also going to learn about what it takes to create a film from start to finish, okay? With special and specific emphasis on directing, cinematography, script writing, and even acting. So, yes, that means that you and your classmates in year one, Cinematic Arts 1, will be creating films, which is really, really exciting stuff. Now, Cinematic Arts 2, what is that? Well, as you could have guessed, there are millions and millions of films out there. So the idea of me covering everything in just 1 year, let alone 2 years, is impossible, okay? So this is a continued study of the wonderful world of film. Some things that we're going to be going over throughout the year will be more prescribed film classics and modern-day blockbusters. Going to be watching a lot of scenes, deeply analyzing and breaking them down. But the main thing that you're going to be doing in Cinematic Arts 2 is you and your group members are going to be creating a 15-minute long film production that will be shown at the end of the year art show. You have the entire year to work on it. You'll have your rough draft of your film due in December, and right around early to mid-April, you'll have your final production turned in. You're also going to learn how to better write movie scripts. You're going to get more hands-on experience behind the camera, shooting scenes. It's a lot of fun, and it's a great way for you guys to express yourself artistically. Now, Cinematic Arts 3 is a dream of mine, with IB Film being turned away after this year. Hopefully, I can work diligently with administration in creating a Cinematic Arts 3. That way, you can take film class for not 1 year or two, but 3. Now, I included a couple film or student film examples. The first one is a great action drama, which was actually created by my first IB film class. It's called The Case, so enjoy that. And then the other is a documentary that my Cinematic Art 1 students put together a couple years ago on the late, great Chuck Ballingall. He was a legendary teacher at Damien High School who unfortunately passed away a few years ago. But this documentary was wonderfully put together, and I hope you guys enjoy both pieces of these student film examples, okay? Now, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. My email is on the Damien High School webpage. It's my last name, Pridgeon at damien-hs.edu. I'm very, very excited to teach both of these courses next year, and I hope to have most of you in my classes starting the fall of 2021. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and have a wonderful day.